tick we got? We got about a 1200 tick. So let's see.
780.
So
Nope. Yeah.
1200 tick.
56. Yeah.
1400. Big tick. 1280 something. So puts probably for a little bit.
Yeah,
So,
makes sense.
you know,
Zoom and Roku are gone.
yeah, Tesla puts down a little bit, you know.
Hmm. I'm watching the Qs here, seeing what they're doing.
Yeah, let's just
Amazon going up.
give this a little bit of
Spy.
time.
Yeah. Spy's popping a little bit here.
So there goes Amazon. We could take it long at the 124, but I think these are quick pops to a reversal down. So
Yep.
be super careful, okay? Super
Yep.
careful. I'm gonna try some Tesla puts here, okay? It's just because it's doing this little pop down. I need to get the 350 though, 350,000.
I'm trying a small position Amazon here. 31.25 stop though. Could stop me out.
Yeah, this is super strong too. See how choppy these stocks are? See how the Qs are coming back down red? Be super careful going long, okay? Yeah, so see this is trying to stop me out here. Concerned about it right here at the 842. Just like the tick to come back down a little bit here. Here we go. Here we go. So you see what happens when you try to go long in these stocks. Actually, Amazon is holding the 2-4. With Tesla, super choppy.
Yeah, Amazon's launching here too. I don't know if it's going to hold though. I think it keeps coming down.
Just watching, seeing if I can get this tick back to normal, you know?
Yeah, I'm thinking the Qs may relax here too. Nvidia never showed any real weakness when I ever took it down, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Tesla's right on my stop right now.
Yep.
It's just kind of dancing right there at the 842.
You do have the SPY rolling over here though, so we may roll here.
Well, I'm just kind of following the position of the tick going down.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And I'm not going to get faked out on the long position right now.
Yeah.
Just because you see how the candles are super choppy. They're like they're moving in a weird way, you know?
Yeah. Of all things, Roku's up $10.
It just got upgraded to like 490.
Yeah.
So that's going against the grain, you know?
Netflix has earnings tonight after the bell. Is that correct?
I think you're correct. That's awesome. Good information. So I think we're relaxing back down a little bit here. All right, here we go here. Just let this tick play out here. Let it get it down to 0. And then I'll take something long. It'll be a stronger move up. Right now it's struggling to go. Things are just choppy. Volume isn't real heavy up. You got half your watch list is going down. The rest is going up, but it's starting to create a lot of wicks on top of those upward moves, okay? On the stocks that are long.
Yep.
Ticks at 500, minus 500, so we're getting closer to 0.
Baidu is also strong. It's gone.
It's got that effect of Baidu up, Baba down, but Baba's not down enough to really. 445 is the hold for that, you know. So Tesla is working. Just slow coming down. You can see how you can get caught in these long positions, and then what do you do when the spread? You're stuck there, and you're in between positive. You're in between trading green, red, green, red, green, red, but the fade is coming back down. You know. Nevada, Netflix is holding the 505 though above the top. So that could be a good long position once this market retraces back up off the tick, okay?
Nvidia is forming an evening star. 10.
So we got a retracement down a little bit, right? When you say?
Yeah, it's just still choppy though. Qs are right in the middle, that 10-minute candle, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Just sideways right now. Chop, chop, chop. I still like the down direction though.
Ticks at 400.
Zoom failed, Facebook dumped, Baba's dropping, Shop's dropping.
So you got Roku at 50% of its candle, almost, but another dollar would be 50%. Yeah, I think your Nvidia down is a good trade. Nice inverted, like you said, inverted hammer. You see Amazon kind of coming down too. Like, how would you stay in that long? You're coming into a doji. It did the quick spike. It's down $10 from the top, from the 331.31. That'd have been a hard trade, you know. Qs. Let's see what the next candle does here. Guys, in any trades?
I got a little bit of that Facebook going down.
Netflix is holding the 505, which was the big number on the top of Friday's high there, you know.
Hard to be in a long, but technically you got a morning star on the 10-minute on Amazon, you know?
Yeah, it's that 524 is the number that it's holding right there in pre-market. So it's got to hold the 524 up.
You're talking NVIDIA?
Well, excuse me, 3124.
Okay.
3124 here.
Yeah. This 3133 was a big number the other day. Let's see if Amazon hits that and then rolls.
Yeah, Tesla stopped me out, so it's kind of like that thing is just solid.
Mm-hmm.
You know how
It's
it
just
is.
hard.
You know how it is trading puts in Tesla.
So I was going to say, it's hard to take what's in that thing.
Even with the tick coming down, it got into the close, and then popped right off the 540, or not 540, but 840. I like that 540 number. I don't know. I'm staring over at this Nvidia. I wonder if it's going to hold that upward candle. You know,
Mm-hmm.
don't really have. Got a little bit of a pop here on the Qs, but not super strong. And you got SPY just sitting there doing nothing. And the tick really hasn't really given me a direction yet. So all I can trade is the candles, and they look pretty weak. There's only one stock that looks super strong, and I got this GME is just gone. This thing is like crazy, you know?
It was $4 a couple months ago.
It's like, where? And there's a volume, a lot of volume. 1.5,
Well,
1.7 million, you know?
in this economy, people are going to have something to do, so why not play games?
I mean, you know, who knows, right?
Look at Shop dropping, Daryl.
Yeah, I was thinking Amazon puts above the 2.4. Oh man, I think I'll take some puts here in Amazon. So, and my stop's 30 or 27, so I got puts going on here. I'm gonna try and scalp this up here, this GameStop, but it's not really a day trade. Okay. So, puts in Amazon, stop is at 3331. Okay.
3133 is where it rolled on Friday. 3134 is the 21 on the 78.
So let's put the stop in right there. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback into the average here. I'm green now, but how long will I stay green? That's the tick. There we go. There we go. Q's may help me out here. There we go.
I'm in here with you now. 31.30 stop. Still could stop us out though.
Oh, for sure. We got somewhat of some wicks here on top. We just got to break the 124 and then we're good.
Yeah, I mean the Qs look good, and the Qs break through this 314. We know where we're going.
Mm-hmm. We could get this into the 3120. I'd be happy with $6.
Oh yeah.
And just let it kind of scissor down into this group here. We're 50-50 right now on this trade. Let's see what the 15 minutes, see if it's holding the top of that 15-minute candle. That concerns me right there. Ooh, that doesn't concern me. Boy, that's super chop right there. That means the volume is super low when it does that, okay? We're not getting any help with the tick, and we're not getting any help with the Qs. They're just sitting there with hardly any volume. Some days it's just better off just not putting your finger on the trade. So this is my second trade. I'm not getting aggressive though. I'm not putting huge positions on with these.
Like the big wicks on the Qs though. On the
Yeah,
10 minute.
it's not holding that high level, so
We're below 314 here. We're golden.
there we go. So 2-4 is really the big resistance of that candle of the pre-market right here. So we got to get through this or it's just going to chop right there for us. I like the fact that it's hitting the 2-4, now 2-3. So you got $1.60 profit right here you could take. Now $2. There we go.
We're dropping. There goes the Qs and the tick. So
So a good position to be in.
318's got to blow through that, and then it's going to be money. And then we should get to 31.10 or so. There we are. There's the Qs rolling.
All right, so I'm going to get it down to 2 contracts here. Why am I doing that?
Chop.
Chop and volume is just all over the place. Like this thing is just, this looks like it's on a 1-minute candle and it's 15 minutes, okay? So just take some profit off the table, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And then let the rest run for a grand slam or home run, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It takes the emotion out and your heart rate comes down a little bit.
Here we go. Let's see if we can get to 31.18.
I mean, you leave 3 or 2 on the contracts, it's still a lot of money.
Yeah.
That's why we were kind of concerned about going long with the market today because the choppy and the volume was low.
SPY's helping us here too.
Ticks blown below 0.
Mm-hmm. Qs are dropping. It looks like a slower version of Friday, quite honestly.
Yeah, I'm closing this out. It's a good trade for me though. It's $6.40 on the option.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good for me. It makes me super green for today.
117.
Yeah, I mean, because look, what we're looking at is 50% of this candle, and it's right there at the 16, which it could reverse back right there. Oh my
There we
God.
go. I'm still in it, buddy. I'm not getting out. 31.10 is what I want for target here. And then I'll get out of half. There we go.
Super incredible trade. But look where we got in though, right at this point. You know,
Mm-hmm.
Right when it was like 50-50, then it turned into the 50% and then went right to the average. I'm out of everything. All right.
I got out of half of it. I'm gonna set 31.20 for my stop. I'll give it a chance to.
Just because the Qs could bounce off the average here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And the tick could pop here and we could get a retracement back up to the 17. I'm just going to make sure I sell. It's all sold. I'm out of everything. Maybe I'll keep the recording on just to watch Bo go all the way down to 3,100.
I like what you think.
You know,
I'd like to see him do that too.
that's
Evening
awesome.
star on Tesla.
This is kind of like my Monday. I want to make sure I'm green going into tomorrow. So I want to put some money into this week's P&L. So I'm
Yep.
super conservative on my first few trades. I got something to work with then. See, now Amazon, now Tesla's coming down. See it?
Mm-hmm.
See how,
Evening
see
star.
how it reversed back into the breaking through that 545, 845. So you just had to live through that little pop and then it came back down. So I had to honor my stop, and that's what you do. You get out, you get into something that works a little better, and Amazon just churned. But it takes a lot for somebody to call it at that level. Imagine if you would have taken that long right there.
I'd have been paying.
And look how it bounced right back into the 1715. Now it's retracing back to the average and sitting on top of there. That'd be a good out right there.